Hi guys, can you hear me? Can you see me? What is the status? Can you hear me? Everybody? I'm checking it from my end. Whenever I see down, it means I'm looking at our live stream, checking your chats. Okay? Hi Anu Sharma. Hi Azam. Hi Pia. Are you here? Hello? Hi, cutest girl. Hello, can you hear me? Hi, Abhijita. Hello. Is there a background disturbance? This one I created. Is there a background disturbance? Like boom, 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 boom करके. Yes. Now? Now? Now also it is there, right? Say like how this the sound of the radio. Now also it is there, right? Say like how this the sound of the radio. Now also it is there, right? Confirm, guys. Confirm, guys. Okay, Aparijita, if you say so, it's fine. So let it be fine. Chal. Let's begin. Okay, Aparijita, if you say so, it's fine. So let it be fine. Chal. Let's begin. Okay, Aparijita, if you say so, it's fine. So let it be fine. Chal. Let's begin. Okay, Hi, Sam. Hello. Hi. Okay, hi everybody, this is Bhavana Bisht. Thank you for patiently bearing with the audio problem, although I'm not so sure if it is resolved or not. So if you hear any disturbance in the voice, background disturbance, please let me know. Okay, so today what are we going to do? First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Bhavana Bisht. Here I am live, and that's my photo. Yes, and what are we going to do today? So we are going to start with the chapter life processes. Yes, the very first chapter in biology in your science textbook. Yes. So what are we going to do today? We're going to learn it. Yes, learn it? No. We're just going to go over it, get to know what the topics are. Okay? No hard compulsions. Chalega? Chalo, then let's begin. So who am I? Hi everybody, this is Bhavana and you already know that. So what are we going to do today? So today we'll be talking about the introduction, nutrition, and what are the types of nutrition and how do we humans take in our nutrition, right? So we are going to be talking about all of those. So let's begin. First of all, when I say life processes, what is the meaning of it? Huh? Ma'am, if I break down the word life processes, then I think it would be something with how the processes are working to keep us alive, to keep or to give us the life that we are living right now, right? So what? Acha. Now you tell me, you have to be active on the chat session. You tell me, have you ever called in an electrician if let's say the AC of your house goes bad, or the fan goes bad, or the light is not working, or let's say कि आपका नल काम नहीं कर रहा है, पानी नहीं आ रहा है, so will you call a plumber? Yes, will you do that? Absolutely, ma'am, absolutely. But have you ever called a plumber and you'll be like, अरे plumber भैया हमारी ना artery is not working right now, please जरा ना वो हमारी आर्टरी का लीकेज ठीक कर दीजिए ना. इलेक्ट्रिशियन भैया हमारे दिमाग का सिग्नल ही नहीं चल रहा है, हाँ सिग्नल ही नहीं आ रहा है इलेक्ट्रिशियन जी, जरा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देख लीजिए. Have you ever called an electrician or a plumber to look at your body? Any maintenance of your body? Hi Anu Sharma, nahi na. How? Why? Because first of all, yeah, it'll be like, ma'am, kya ma'am doctor ke paas to jate? Yeah, that is some extreme cases. But daily life mein, every day we are not like that, na? No. So what to do now? No, you tell me now what to do. Arre nothing, ma'am. I know now what life processes are. All the processes that help us, that maintain us from the inside, are the life processes. They not only prevent damages, but they also provide us with energy. So we are up and moving. Understood? Yes. Hi, alone boy. Oh, Vara. So now. But what are we made up of, guys? Would you agree that we were all unicellular in one point of our life? Would you agree with me that we all were unicellular in one point of our life? And do you know which point? Hi Pia, hello. Do you know which point? When were we unicellular in structure? We human beings. Hi Ayush, welcome back. Any idea? No idea at all. Arre beta ji, when we were zygote, that is when we all were unicellular. But as we grew, our cells became tissues. Tissues became organ system. Organ systems gave rise to an organism, right? So all of these cells and everything is made up of chemical substances, right? And these chemical substances regulate our body. But how? How are they doing that? How are they maintaining it? How are they preventing it from damage? From Thanos? They are doing that by doing these processes. And the life processes that we are going to study in this chapter are nutrition. Nutrition? Yeah, you take a spoon and you're like, hop, 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 hop. Is that what is nutrition? No. We'll talk about it. Then we also have respiration. जोर से सांस अंदर लीजिए. Then leave it out. That is our respiration. Yes, ma'am, that is respiration, but that is not all that is there to it. Yes. Then we have transportation from Mumbai to Delhi, Delhi to Ahmedabad. किधर जाना है बोलो अभी के अभी. That transportation? No. Whatever we are eating, whatever we are breathing, it needs to, the energy that we are creating, the nutrients that we are getting needs to go to the cells, right? And that is transportation, right? And lastly, I have a very beautiful pen. Okay, let's imagine I have a very beautiful pen, and that pen is not refillable. I cannot put a refill into it again. So after the ink is over, will I keep using it? Will I keep it with me? After this pen ka refill is over, will I keep this pen with me? Absolutely not. No. I will just throw it away because it is of no use to me anymore. Similarly, after I have eaten the food, I have taken all the nutrition from it. Now we must go fukkat mein, like for no reason at all, am I going to keep it in my body? Am I going to keep it in my body? Body mein bahut sara space hai. No ma'am, no, there is no extra space in my body, and therefore whatever is not required, whatever is remaining will be excreted out of my body. Okay, so these are the 4 amazing four life processes that we will be studying in this chapter. Okay, now how many of you are hungry right now? Are you hungry? Is your stomach growling? Yes, it says please give me some food. Let that not be Maggie. Hungry? Nobody hungry? Nobody is hungry currently, people? Hi Vinay Raj, hello. Aparajita has just had his food, nice. Oh, wow. Wah, Avara, thank you so much. So now, क्या बोल रहे हो मैंड्री आप? What are you talking? What are you talking about? I'm saying that when I eat, it's not about just eating food. Yes, it is about getting the nutrients out of it, right? How many of you would like a nice, amazing sholle? Body chahiye ki nahi? Hey, you want to get in shape, you want to look good. So why is all that? And through what? And जब ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हो ना, so आप what do you say? Hi Suman Devi. We say यार, I have to increase my protein यार. Carbohydrates तो बहुत ही हो रहा है. मम्मी ना रोज पूरी बना देती है, तो फैट का तो पूछो ही मत. Oil, you know, everything is. So what are all these things? Why do we keep a track of all these things? Because these are the nutrients that our body relies upon, right? और फिर ये nutrients को लेके ना इसको मस्त हथौड़े से टॉक करके इसको हमको क्या करना है? In the simplest form लाना है, and then it will be converted into energy, and that conversion into energy is done in respiration. Understood? Yes. And then that तोड़ के जो हमने एकदम smallest particle किया था ना, वो transport कर देना है सब जगह. Yes. And then everything else gone away. Okay. Now, have you ever heard about the term donor or organ, donating organs and tissue donation? Yes, have you heard about it? Have you ever heard about it? Or you might have seen it in television that if a person is brain dead or a person cannot, his brain or her brain is not active, you can donate the organs, right? Because they are absolutely fine. So, do you know how many lives you can save by actually donating the organs of a person? You can save up to 8 lives. And these are the organs that we are talking about, right? Then we have skin, then we have so many other diseases, and that extra 75 other medical issues can be also solved. So this is a lot of charity done, right? So have you ever heard about वसीहत या will कि एक इंसान मरने के बाद उनकी जितनी भी जायदाद वगैरह होती है, all the money that they have collected or the land they have collected, they give it to somebody, right? In the will, right? They tell कि who you have to give it to, or you have to give it to entertainment, right? So वैसी एक will होती है कि what you want to you want your body, like आपके body के साथ क्या होना चाहिए once you die, right? And there you can select that I want my organs to be donated, so you can save lives. So you, although you as a person are dead, but your organs continue to live, they give somebody else life. Yes, that's right, Aparajita. So let's get into the topic. Why did I tell you that? Because to remind you that please eat healthy, keep your body safe, so you're helping yourself And maybe in the future, I might be helping somebody else too. Yes. So we were talking about food, right? And as most of you are not feeling hungry, but whenever I feel hungry, I'm like, give me something very tasty, give me something which is so spicy that it opens up all of my senses. Hi Shiva, hello. And this is exactly how I would eat. Basically, I would eat like this if I'm hungry, or you can eat like Shinchan also, whoever you prefer, right? But seriously, tell me now, will your mama allow you every day to eat French fries, donuts, muffins, and everything? Cheesecake, oh my god, ice cream. Would you like to have that? Would you like to have it, everybody? Yes, but every day, mama, I will be like flying chappal coming towards me, ma'am, flying chappal coming towards me. So, what to do now? What to do? Hi, Abhishek Yadav. I can go for something which I might have to eat because I have no choice, and that is the greens, the leafy vegetables, the fruits. But why are we told to not eat junk food and rather eat this? But why? I want to eat food. My stomach should be filled, right? That is what is important. कि मेरा पेट भरा होना चाहिए. And whatever I eat, what is the matter? Why does it matter? It matters because, hi Manoj Kumar the Prince, because we have nutrients in food. Which nutrients, ma'am? Proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, water, and minerals. So when we move towards junk food, we might be getting carbohydrates, we might be getting fats, but are they healthy fats? No. Protein, the minimum of quantity. Vitamins and minerals, minimum of the quantity. But whereas if we eat green vegetables, fruits, salads, and घर का खाना, तो हमको ये सब nutrients भर भर के मिलता है. And that is why we are not allowed to have junk food all the time. Okay, fine. But why do I need these nutrients, guys? Hi, Pallavi. Hello. Hi, Anu Sharma. Yeah, so why do I need these nutrients? I need these nutrients because Manoj Kumar, every day I take YouTube sessions on the weekdays at from 7:15 to 8:45. 7:45. Okay. I need these nutrients to give me energy, right? Because after nutrition, it is going to be converted into energy to do our day-to-day activities like running, yoga, which we don't do, walking, cycling, or even getting up, right? So all of these activities need to be done, and for that we need nutrients. Clear? Thank you, Pallavi. So now how will I define nutrition? Definition is on the screen. This is taken from your NCERT textbook. It is the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vital nutrients required for life. Clear? What is the definition of nutrition? Nutrition is not all about ma'am, give me food, ma'am, give me food. No. It's about taking the food in, converting it into energy and nutrients that are making me take this session, right? And you playing around. Understood? Hi, Jeevan Kurpe. Hello. Okay. Have you heard about autotrophs? Hi, Messiah. Oh my god. Hi, Messiah. Where have you been? Welcome to the session. Okay. Abhishek Yadav. Hi. Yes, Messiah. I remember you. How many of you have heard the term autotroph before? Have you? Okay, wait. Look at yourself. Are you green in color? Is anybody over here green in color? Do you possess the pigment chlorophyll? Are we Gamora? Are we Gamora from the Avengers movie? Nahi, ma'am, nahi. Kya baat kar rahe ho? We are not green in color. Yes. Does that mean I am not autotrophic? Yes, you are not, because you rely on somebody else for your nutrition, right? First of all, तो हम मम्मी के ऊपर निर्भर होते हैं, क्या मम्मी प्लीज खाना दे दो, but मम्मी खाना बना रही है? Yes, but is she producing it by herself? No. The food that we eat comes from autotrophs, and who are the autotrophs? Blue-green algae and plants, right? So what do they do, ma'am? They make simple food from inorganic substances. But what is the meaning of inorganic substances though? It means it takes carbon dioxide, water, and converts it into carbohydrates. Okay, and how is it able to do that? How is it able to do all this magic? Because it can do photosynthesis. Have you heard the term photosynthesis before? Oi hoy, Messiah ji is in 11th standard. Hi Messiah, 11th standard. That's right, Jeevan Kurpe. Anu, because I have seen you in the class. Okay, so what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is through which the plants, taking carbon dioxide, convert the carbon dioxide into oxygen and give it out. Okay, so plants are releasing oxygen into the environment, but are they doing only releasing in oxygen? Is that what is called as photosynthesis? What is the meaning of photosynthesis? So as the term suggests, photo means something to do with sun, something to do with sunlight. And what is the meaning of synthesis? Hi, Adar Braj, hello. What is the meaning of synthesis? Synthesis means kuch banana, to create something. So what are we creating? What are we creating over here, ma'am? Ma'am, we are creating food. What are we creating? We are creating food. And the food that we created is glucose, that is C6H12O6. Understood? So plants create food. Now, do you think plants create food for you? That amazing red color apple is just for you. The mangoes that you're eating currently, क्या वो प्लांट ने आपके लिए बनाए थे कि आप मस्त उनको चूस चूस से खा सको? Was it made for you? No, it was not. Plants make glucose to satisfy themselves first. So they are like, यार जितना बच गया ना, ठीक है, उसको fruit में डाल दो. Why? Because fruit is a place where they store excess glucose, excess food, and then we bring those food to us. And we are like, plant ne khana diya, yeah, yes. So basically, you're secondary. Plant पहले खुद अपना भूख पूरा करता है, and then तुमको fruit देता है. Yes. So we get food from plants. Okay. So now when I talk about photosynthesis, there are three. Hi Aruz Patel. There are three main steps, even in your NCERT textbook. Okay. And these three main steps you have to remember because they are very important. First thing very important is this photosynthesis ka reaction and these 3 points. Okay. Yes. So let's see. So what happens? Plant takes carbon dioxide, and do you water plants every day, guys? Do we water our plants every day? Yes. So plant takes that water. It takes carbon dioxide that is present in the atmosphere, along with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll which is present in the leaves that gives the green color. It makes glucose and oxygen. Okay. The very first step is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. So as I told you, chlorophyll is the very important factor when you want to photosynthesize. So if I don't have chlorophyll, will I be able to photosynthesize? No. Why? Because chlorophyll is the one who is absorbing the light energy. Yes. Now, ये क्या है? This CO2 plus H2O giving you glucose and oxygen. What is this? What is this? This is a chemical reaction, right? This is a chemical reaction. But ma'am, but sunlight is so light energy, na? That is light energy, right? I didn't know it. It is not in the form of chemical energy. So do I need to convert it? Yes. So in the second step, conversion of light energy to chemical energy is done. Okay. And then this water is split into hydrogen and oxygen. Clear? Then this hydrogen is taken up by CO2 to give you C6H12O6, and this remaining oxygen is given out in the form of oxygen. Understood? Now if you pay very close attention, does everybody know the meaning of oxidation? Does everybody over here know the meaning of oxidation? Yes? Or reduction. So if you look at carbon dioxide carefully over here, that is in the reactants, and then see its conversion in the product, would you agree that carbon dioxide has gained hydrogen? Would you agree with me that carbon dioxide has gained hydrogen? Yes. And whenever we gain hydrogen, that reaction is called as, that step is called as a reduction. Yes. So over here, reduction of carbon dioxide to give you carbohydrates. So these are the three main important steps when we talk about nutrition. Clear, everybody? Do we understand till here, everybody? If you have any doubts, please let me know. Reduction is gaining hydrogen or losing oxygen, and oxidation is gaining oxygen or losing hydrogen. Opposite. Okay? Very good. Very cool, people. You guys are intelligent. Next. Ma'am, you told that directly what is going to happen? What is going to... Hi, Elishiba. Hello. So, how exactly does plant can take carbon dioxide? Does it have what? Like this? No. It does that with the help of stomata. So stomata are structures like these which you have studied in 9th standard, right? So this is an open stomata and this is a closed stomata. So through the open stomata, the plant takes some carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. Clear? Clear? Yes. So here we are doing a little poll quiz and I want you to answer in the comment section. Can we do that? Can we do that, everybody in the class? Okay. Very nice. The first question is on the screen. Let me know. Name the pigment which is responsible for the absorption of light in plants. Name the pigment which is responsible for the absorption of light in plants. Please give me your answers. Hi Shri. If you know the answer to the question, please let me know. Hi Rajat Yadav. Okay. Yes. Very good. Do not spam dears. I can read your answers. Very good Priya. Very good Kunal Singh. Very good Braj. Absolutely correct. The pigment which is responsible for the absorption of light in plants is the one and only chlorophyll. Very amazing. Okay then. So do we depend for our food on everybody? Yes ma'am. We depend upon everybody. So can we make our own food? No. So are we autotrophs? No. So what are we? What are we, ma'am? What are we? We are none other than something called as heterotrophs. Okay? So whenever somebody is dependent for their food on somebody else, they are called as heterotrophs. We take in complex food, we digest it, we break it down, and then we assimilate it. Okay? But how are we able to digest this complex food? So this complex food is digested with the help of biocatalysts. Okay? That are also called as enzymes. So what do enzymes do? For example, if you have a very do you eat pizza? Yes ma'am. Do you eat burger? Yes ma'am. Roti bhaji khate ho? Yes. Are you directly drinking glucose? Are you directly drinking the lowest form of carbohydrate? No, na. We are having complex food structure, right? So unko tod ke I have to extract the glucose out of it. I have to break it down at such a simplicity level that I just have glucose. Okay? So this breaking down, this is done by enzymes. Have you heard of the term catalyst? Have you heard of the term catalyst? Yes. What do catalysts do? they alter the rate of reaction. In chemistry, they alter the rate of reaction. Generally, it is used to increase the rate of reaction, right? So when I say the term bio, bio means living organism. What does bio mean? Bio means living organism, right? So when I talk about living organism and the catalyst together, it means this catalyst is present inside the living organism. Understood? So whenever any catalyst is present inside the living organism, it is called as biocatalyst, which is also called as enzyme. Clear, everybody? Clear, everybody? So a catalyst which is present inside a living organism is called as biocatalyst, which is also called as an enzyme. Tick. Okay. So after learning this much of everything, can I just conclude that heterotrophs entirely depend upon autotrophs? Can I say this? Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely. Cool, man. Autotrophs are nobody. They are just plants and some algae. So, what about heterotrophic? Are there types in that? Yes, there are. The first type in heterotrophic kind of nutrition is saprophytic. Have you heard the term before? Have you heard the term saprophytic before? So, saprophytic means somebody who gets its nutrition from dead, decaying organic matter. Okay, and some examples of that are some examples are fungus and bacteria. Okay, what is a fungus? How many of you love sandwiches? Do you like sandwiches, people? Do you like a good sandwich any day? Right, but have you ever seen a stale bread? Have you ever seen a stale bread? तो एक बार bread खराब हो जाता है ना, उसको just बाजू में रख दो. After its expiry date, keep it aside for a week and then open it. You will see a nice layer of fungus all over it. Understood? So that is saprophytic. Yes. But that is a little out of the context. I'll answer the question towards the end of the session. Then we have parasites. What is the meaning of parasites, ma'am? They take your nutrition, huh? They take your nutrition, but without killing you. Have you seen mosquitoes? Hi, Harshpreet Singh. Hi, Yuvraj Sharma. Have you seen mosquitoes? Yes. Are they taking your nutrition? Female Anopheles mosquito जो आपको काटती हैं, क्या वो आपका nutrition ले रही है in the form through your blood? Yes, ma'am. But are they killing you? No. Right? Have you seen leech? Leech आपकी skin पे ऐसे चिपक जाता है. And then they suck the blood, right? So are they killing you? No. Similarly, we have parasites that can go inside our body, suck our nutrition without killing us. Okay, so they are called as parasites. Then we have holozoic. Holozoic मतलब क्या? They eat whole food. They don't need to digest food beforehand. They are not dependent upon anybody, right? They can just take whole foods in, and they are called as holozoic. So animals and human beings are example of holozoic. Okay. Hi Raj, I only take questions in English, so very good, Priya. Very good. And I think this is something we have already studied in 9th standard. So let's quickly go through it so we can do a little pop quiz. Okay. So now, does amoeba have a mouth, guys? Does amoeba have a mouth? It has 2 hands. It has 2 legs to go and grab the food. No, right? No. So what does it do? What does it do? Arre ma'am, my amoeba is very smart. Why? Because it has false hands. What are they called as? They are called as pseudopodia. What are they called as? They are called as pseudopodia. And as soon as the food comes into their eyesight, and they are like, I am going to have you, and they are like, boom! They engulf the food, right? The amoeba directly engulfs the food into a food vacuole. Okay? And inside this food vacuole, the food is digested, it is absorbed, it is assimilated, and then whatever is remaining is adjusted out of the body. Okay? So this is the process of nutrition in amoeba, and we in human beings also follow similar pattern. Okay, so this is how. Can you see, this is amoeba? Can you see one organism is stuck here, another is stuck here? So these are food vacuoles. Okay, another one is going to get stuck here, and one is stuck over here in this big fat vacuole. So now they will get digested, assimilated, and then whatever is remaining, the food vacuole will break open, and that will be given out of the body. Understood? Is that clear, everybody? This is how amoeba takes its nutrition. Okay, so are you now ready to answer some questions? Ready to answer some questions, beautiful people? Yes. Yes, ma'am. So let's do it. The first question. What is the process of intake of nutrients by an organism, as well as the utilization of these nutrients by the organism, called as? Hi, Shiva Darsana. I think after we finish life processes, we can start with chemistry. Okay? And on Unacademy app, I'm already dealing with chemistry. Everybody, what is the answer? What is the process of intake of nutrients by an organism, as well as the utilization of these nutrients by the organism, called? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It is called as nutrition. So the correct answer is A. Congratulations, everybody. You did amazing there. Next question. Next question on the screen. When an organism obtains its food from decaying organic matter of dead plants, dead animals, and rotten bread, etc., it is called as? Or what is it called as? Yes. Everybody. Very good, Aparajita. Very good, Shivdarsana. Very good, Anshika. Perfect. Absolutely correct. It is called as saprotrophic or saprophytic nutrition. It is called as saprotrophic or saprophytic nutrition, which is one and the same. Understood, everybody? Yes. So this is something which will be starting in the next session. That is nutrition in human beings. Okay. So tune in for the next session. Now, I am pretty sure. I am Ritu. I will get back to you on that. Yes. So now, what should I, Raj? Okay, guys. So what are we doing here, ma'am? I want to learn. I want to study, right? But am I going to be able to teach all the portion over here? No. We all have some dreams that we want to achieve, right? And we need a perfect partner for that. And who do we have as a perfect partner? Me. But where am I? I am exclusive to you on Unacademy Plus. You can find me on Unacademy Plus and get a 10% discount on your subscription by using the code BBLIVE10. But ma'am, first we want to see more of your sessions, right? So you can find me live on the Unacademy app. You can book my free live class today itself. Use the code BBLIVE10 because right now in 6 minutes, that is at 8 p.m. today, I am taking the chapter Introduction to Heredity and Evolution. So if you're interested, go and download the app right now, book the class, and I'll see you there. Okay, go, run, because I am coming just behind you. So before we do go there, what do we have at Plus, ma'am? You get India's best educators at your disposal. Your classes are very interactive. You get live tests and quizzes, mocks, subjective answer writing with PDF. So you don't have to run behind anybody. Ma'am, notes de do. No. Also, we have Iconic, where you get your own personal mentor who guides you throughout the year. Your doubts are solved within 24 to 48 hours. Your parents are contacted about your progress, and you get your own study planner, and you are absolutely amazing to go. Okay, So every Monday we have new batches launching in. This Monday we have the Tagore batch launching in, where you will learn English, Hindi, Sanskrit and computer science. So you are never left out. These are the plans, right? So for 12 months it is 15,000, and Iconic for 12 months is 28,000, right? And you can get a 10% discount on this by using the code BBLIVEU10, along with some extra amazing offers. And if you want to know them, on the app please. And also, ma'am, can I get this for free? Absolutely, because we have Unacademy Combat. Where do we have this, ma'am? Where do we have this? The link to register for Unacademy Combat is down in the description box. So go and register yourself. When you register, you can use the code BBLIVE10, because you'll have to use one code. And top 3 winners can have a chance to win 1 year ka absolute free subscription. Okay? So for 10th standard is happening on 23rd of May at 11 a.m. So go and register yourself. Okay? So don't forget to use the code BBLIVE10, and I will see you on Plus. And right now, everybody download the app, because I have a free live class at 8 p.m. in 3 minutes. Come on. Go to Google Store and do it. The notes on YouTube are not available, Aparajita, but I will see that if I can make them available to you. Okay? So, I'll see you on Unacademy. Till then, bye-bye everybody. Please take care of yourselves. And if do not go out, and if you do venture out, please double mask, have sanitizers, and please take care of yourself. Okay? Bye-bye everybody. I hope you enjoyed the session. And please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.